Hi and welcome to an all new episode of Celeb Look. I'm Anam and today I'm going to show you how to get the very sexy Deepika Padukone's beachwear look from the movie Cocktail. Now if you've already seen the promos, you definitely already know that apart from the bikinis and sexy leg showing, Deepika Padukone is also donning a lot of short crop tops and shorts with short skirts and of course a lot of kaftanish dresses. So what I'm going to show you today is how to get one of those sexy looks all by yourself at home. So with me today I have to show you two really cute skirts that I spotted. One of them is a completely frilly short pink ballerina-like skirt. Now something like this would be perfect if you did not want to wear a normal swimsuit cut to the beach. You can add this up in place of a sarong and look extremely glamorous. Another option that I have for you if you just want to sit by the lounger at the beach and relax, get a great tan, is that you can don a really nice denim short skirt. Believe me, this is a great time to don one of those looks. Now what you can do with these skirts is pair them up with really nice short crop tops. Apart from which you can go for great loud prints, go for really nice summer shades like I'm wearing right now. Swimsuits for beachwear, well, that is obvious. Now one thing you must keep in mind is that neon shades for beachwears are completely doing the rounds. If you've had a look at Vogue's cover this month, there's an amazing neon and black bikini that Deepika is wearing. Well, one of those things about it is that it looks beautiful, it makes you stand out at the beach, and of course, it takes your glamour quotient notches higher. Now, apart from normal clothes and glamorous clothes, another thing you're going to need to pay attention to get Deepika's look from Cocktail is the hair and makeup. Now, what do you do about that? Make sure you keep your makeup minimalistic. You're at the beach, so make sure you don't cake yourself up or you're going to land up having your makeup all over the way. Also, another thing you should keep in mind for your hair is that you need to be comfortable. You can't exactly always keep your hair open at the beach because if you're planning to go for a swim, it's going to land up catching the salt and it's going to become extremely dry. So make sure you tie up a really nice bun or you put a high ponytail, or if you're one of those who just wants to lie around and not have your hair in your face, you can also do a really nice messy braid. Another thing that you should pay attention to is the accessory quotient of your overall look. When you're at the beach and you're out, you're probably going to be indulging in some volleyball, some swimming, or well, just lazing around in the sand. So something that you must pay attention to is keeping your accessories as minimalistic as your makeup. Well, so that's all for today. Deepika Padukone's look from Cocktail for Beachwear is completely at your service. Make sure you let us know how you did it and how it went. So if you have any feedback to give me, the comment section is right below. You can also tweet to me at AANAMC. Don't forget to subscribe to Celeb Look so you get constant updates about when there's a new video.